triple energy. Oh.
What's up, guys? It's Jules, aka Jim Jules _ on the gram, and today I'm joined by my wonderful boyfriend,
Jimmy, the real Jimmy M on the gram.
And today we're trying out one of my crazy buys on Amazon, and that is ear seeds. We're really big fans of relieving any pains or ailments that we have, except for me. He can't get rid of that pain in his butt.
Nope.
So we're going to be trying out these acupressure ear seeds for the next couple of days and see how we feel. We're both really big fans of energy drinks, so we drink quite a bit of them. So our adrenal glands are probably shot. He's always tired. He has effects of chemotherapy that he has to kind of combat. So, and he also has a 5-year-old. So
Always tired.
We're gonna let you guys know how it goes, if we even feel anything from them, or I don't know.
Whether it's a sham.
Because you know there's a lot of shammers and scammers out there on the internet.
Oh yeah.
So stay tuned and see how these ear seeds work for us. So I just want to say, as a side note, one of the main reasons why I chose ear seeds was because Jimmy is a brain cancer survivor and he went through chemotherapy a couple years ago. And one of the main side effects is him being tired all the time. When we first started dating, it did kind of concern me, but it wasn't laziness, ladies. It was something he couldn't control. So in order for him to combat the fatigue, he drinks a lot of energy drinks, which is not good for you. I know, I consume a lot as well. But I can't imagine being the father of a 5-year-old and dealing with something that you can't control. So anything that I can find to make him feel a little bit better, we're gonna go for it. So on with the adventure. Okay, so we're gonna give you one to fix your, triple your energy.
Fantastic.
Okay. They're literally what, like Band-Aids with, what do you call those packets, those do not eat packets? So we have Band-Aids with little humidifier balls in them. And you get this little acupuncture pen that I like poking my brain with.
That's right. How do you poke your...
You go like this, and you find like bumps. And I'm gonna put it in your triple energy spot.
My triple energy spot, which is?
Which is right here.
Oh.
In your ear.
Fantastic.
So if it falls in and you can't hear, don't blame me. So I'm not gonna lie, it was really hard to put these things in his ears, even with the tweezers that they provided. It's hard to get it to stick on that exact spot that you see on the diagram, but obviously I found some spots. So I guess it worked. So I'm pretty sure my adrenal glands are shot. I drink a lot of energy drinks. So I got one for energy and one for TMJ. I feel nothing. Ow! Okay, I felt that. Okay, that feels really good. Dr. Munoz, oh my god, yeah, that feels so good. Oh my god.
Pretty good. I had triple the energy today. And I think my my prostate is good. Or did we put that on my colon? I don't know, one of those two. If Taco licked all this dust and hair off, then we'd be alright. I don't know where the handle is for this thing, so I'm using it like this. Look at all this dust and hair. I'm pulling all this dust off. Well, about a week and a half now. I feel like I've got more energy, but it could be because I've been sleeping a lot better. So I'm not 100% sure. But pushing on them and hitting that pressure point does feel good. My only recommendation would be to see an acupuncturist beforehand. That way you have an idea of what it feels like to actually have pressure on your pressure points, and maybe get a little bit more information from them as far as what ear seeds could do for you. I know I'm gonna try it again. I want to try acupuncture first, get an idea of what it's like to have those pressure points hit, and then go from there with the ear seeds and see if I actually hit the right points and what it actually does for me physically.
Day 2 with my ear seed, and I have to say my jaw is killing me. I grind my teeth at night, and I have TMJ, so I have a crooked jaw. So lately it's just been getting worse because I'm under a lot of stress lately. So I can definitely feel when I push on the ear seed, I can definitely feel the sensation like going towards my jaw. Don't know if it's helping any, but it kind of feels good. It's like a bruise that you want to push at, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Wearing these to work, I did look a little suspicious sitting behind the front desk at the gym, pushing on them. It looked like I was talking to a white, unmarked van, possibly parked outside the front, spying on the place. The more that I push on it, the less it hurts, or maybe the less the nerve is being affected. I don't know if it has anything to do with my jaw feeling better today, but it is the weekend and I'm not as stressed. I had a great, really energetic morning, insert clip, but I don't know. I kind of like it, but it's kind of wearing off. So does that mean it does work? The world may never know. Okay, so it's been a couple of days now, and Jimmy, how do you feel?
I feel good. I did the one for triple the energy, and I gotta say, I mean, I feel pretty energetic. Not sure if it's still due to regular energy drinks or this, but I mean, it feels pretty good.
So the handy dandy guide that they email you tells you all about it and what spots to put these in. Instead of that map that they gave us like in the package, it's all written in Chinese, so I was kind of guesstimating. So I think the one for his triple energy...
They have pictures though.
Yeah. I think the one for triple energy went into his colon, so... If your colon was any better, then you're welcome. But I constantly have TMJ, and it's been really bad because I grind my teeth at night. So putting one of the acupressure seeds really helped with kind of just pointing out that, yeah, I've got pain there.
The ear seeds comes with one of these little pressure poker things, and it's pretty good if you want to just practice on the spots that you're going to put one of these ear seeds on. Helps you figure out where exactly the pressure point is, to make it a little bit easier to actually find that, because there are, what, hundreds of pressure points within the ears?
120 is what I looked up.
And they are really close together, so finding the exact point for the exact issue that you're trying to relieve could be a little bit difficult.
And you can look up other YouTube videos. That's what I did when like placing them. And you'll be surprised, some parts of your ear actually are a little bit either swollen or your little veins are kind of bulging out in your ear. That's how I found some of his. Even with the ear seeds that are not on his ear, like I would just take the little pressure point finder and he'd be like, ooh. So, but that little guy's really fun to poke around with.
Take care, everybody.
Bueno, bye.
Fantastic.
I'm full of puns. I'm punny. That's why you love me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you liked this video.
If you've tried this product before, write down in the comments your experience. Let us know what you thought.
I'm at JimJules_ on the gram.
And I'm the real Jimmy M. And until next time.
Bueno, bye.